Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Come see the car for yourself.